Did you know that nearly 70% of minor car problems can be fixed by a simple reset? Yes, you heard that right. From weird warning lights to glitchy electronics, most of the problems that scare drivers into visiting a mechanic are often nothing more than your car's computer having a bad day. In this video, we are going to uncover 5 super effective methods to reset your car and bring it back to life. These tricks are simple, quick, and could save you hundreds of dollars in repair bills. So before you spend a single penny at the repair shop, watch this video till the end, because your car might just need a reset, not a repair. Let's get started. Method 1. Disconnect the battery. If your car is throwing a check engine light, running rough, or your engine acting weird, disconnecting the battery can reset ECU and clear minor glitches stored in its memory. This is one of the oldest and most effective methods to reset a car's systems. This method is very straightforward and requires no special tools other than a wrench to loosen the battery terminals. Firstly, you have to disconnect the negative terminal and then disconnect the positive terminal. It is recommended to leave the battery disconnected for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the system fully drains any residual power. For deeper reset, press the brake pedal or horn during this time to help drain out stored energy from capacitors within the system. Once done, reconnect the positive terminal first and then reconnect the negative terminal. Once you reconnect the battery, your car's computer will reset its memory. It's like giving your car a deep breath of fresh air. Method 2. Use an OBD2 scanner. Modern cars love their warning lights. Even after you've fixed a problem like replacing a faulty sensor, the dashboard light might stay on for days unless you reset it. That's where an OBD2 scanner comes in. Almost every car manufactured after 1996 comes equipped with an OBD2 port. By connecting an OBD2 scanner to this port, you can read trouble codes, monitor sensor data, and even clear specific error codes stored in the ECU. The scanner also has a clear codes or reset ECU option, which essentially tells the car's computer to forget stored errors and restart its learning process. Unlike the battery disconnect method, an OBD2 scanner allows you to reset the system without disturbing other settings like radio presets or clock settings. Method 3. Perform a throttle body reset. After performing a battery disconnect or ECU reset, many cars experience a rough or unstable idle. This happens because the car's throttle body loses its adaptive memory and needs to relearn the correct airflow and idle settings. Performing a throttle body reset or idle relearn procedure can fix this problem effectively. To reset your throttle body, first you have to turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. In the second step, you slowly have to press the accelerator pedal to the floor and then hold it there for 3 seconds. Now slowly release the accelerator pedal as slowly as you press it. This sequence signals the ECU to recalibrate the throttle position sensor. After completing the procedure, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes without touching the gas pedal. This allows the car to relearn its proper idle speed. Performing this reset helps eliminate problems like stalling, erratic RPM behavior, or delayed throttle response after a reset. Method 4. Addressing fuel cap issues. Believe it or not, one of the most common reasons for a check engine light or fuel system warning in modern cars is simply a loose or faulty fuel cap. Modern vehicles are designed with sensitive evaporative emission control systems that monitor the fuel system for any leaks. If your fuel cap is not properly tightened, cracked, or has a worn-out rubber seal, the system detects this as a leak and triggers the check engine light. This is why before rushing into complex resets, you should always check your fuel cap first. Open the fuel door, remove the cap, inspect the rubber gasket for any cracks or damage, and then firmly tighten the cap until it clicks several times. This ensures a proper seal and tells the system there's no longer a leak. After securing the fuel cap properly, it may take a few driving cycles for the check engine light to turn off automatically. In most cars, this means driving for about 50 to 100 miles over the course of several trips, allowing the car's ECU to recheck the fuel system. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to fuel up your car knowledge every week. And tell me in the comments which reset method are you going to try first. See you in the next video.